In this video, we're going to be going over how you can join the official Roblox Anime Battle Arena Discord server. Before we dive into the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. Now, I'm going to be doing this on the Discord PC version, but you could do this on Discord mobile as well. The steps are the exact same. But what you're going to want to go ahead and do is first get into Discord, and in this left-hand section over here where all these servers are, just scroll all the way down to the bottom until you find this little plus icon here that says add a server. Go ahead and select that, and from here it's going to pull up a page that looks like this. Ignore all of this stuff here and hit join a server at the bottom, and it's going to take you to the invite link section. Now don't worry, you don't actually need an invite link here. You just need to type in ABA in all caps just like so. After doing that, go ahead and hit join server down at the very bottom, and it's going to go ahead and load for a second, and then it's going to load you into the Discord server for ABA. Now, I will say you do need to go ahead and verify your Roblox user with row verify in order to go ahead and access this server. But once doing so, you'll be able to access all of the channels, you'll be able to chat with other members, and you'll be good to go. But that's it. You're now going to be in the Roblox Anime Battle. But that's it, you're now going to be in the Roblox Anime Battle Arena Discord server. I hope this video did help you out. If it did, make sure to leave a like on the video, subscribe to the channel with all notifications on, and comment down below if you do have any questions and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.